and this is a small article, that is how we can generate the Bessel function, right? This is first kind naturally. Jnx is first kind. Now, the generating function of for Jnx, the Bessel function for first kind Jnx can be obtained by expanding the exponential function e the power x t minus 1 by t divided by 2. This function is called the generative function of Jnx. So e the power x t minus 1 by t divided by 2. So this can be broken into two parts, that is e the power xt by 2 multiplied by e the power minus x by 2t. So we know this relation e the power x is equal to this can be expanded as 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial and so on. Similarly, e the power minus x can be 1 minus x by 1 plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial. So same thing we can apply here, that is e the power xt by 2. So say if you apply here, answer will be 1 plus xt by 2 plus 1 by 2 factorial, right? Square, then it will be xt by 2 whole square, then 1 by 3 xt by 3 s2 by 2 cube plus so on, right? This I have written, right? Similarly, you can see here now e the power this minus ex we can apply, right? That is equal to what? Because this is a combination of two, right? So same thing we are writing here. So multiplication of second term, that is 1 minus x, 1 by x by 2t divided by this 1 factorial. This plus x square in place of x we can write x by 2t whole square divided by 2 factorial and minus 1 by 3 factorial x by 2t cube and so on. You can see further it can be simplified as, so 1 by 1 plus x t by 2. This was the first term and this is second term. As such, I have written nothing else. So these two terms can be combined together. This example I have given, that is this term. You can take this term and this one. If you because both terms will be multiplied together, right? This is the step only that you have to think only. That is 1 by n factorial xt by 2 the power n and 1. This will be there. Now, coefficient of Tn here will be 1 by n factorial x by 2 the power n, right? Similarly, if I take coefficient of t minus n, sorry, this is not Tn, this is t minus n, what will be that, right? As you can see, sorry, this is Tn because two terms we are taking, so that's why it will be Tn only, right? So what are those two terms? That those two terms will be 1 by n plus 1 factorial, this one, x t the power n plus x t the power n plus 1 by 2. Same thing I am writing here. Multiply by this term, that is minus 1 by 1 factorial x by 2t. Means different terms will be combined together so that we can have a coefficient of t the power n. Here you can see here now it will be 1 by n factorial as such, minus sign I am taken out, right? So 1 x by 2, because x by 2 t the power n plus 1, it is t in the denominator also, so it means t the power n will be left only, right? Similarly, x by 2 we left, x by 2 this n plus 1, so it will be n plus 2. So same thing I am writing here, means basically different terms can be combined together. So coefficient of t the power n will be this one. This whole terms can be written this one. Means this can be generated from here also, and this is Jnx. Similarly, if I take the terms of coefficient of t the power minus n, similarly here, as taken here, right? So this will be the term. So it will be here like this one. This is j minus n x. How? Because this can be written as minus 1 the power r. You can say here, same. Only this factor is extra, nothing else, right? So same thing we can write here. So minus 1 the power n, j n x, right? This, if I combine both the terms, it will be j minus nx. So now if I combine both the terms 1 and 2, the answer will be e the power x, t minus 1 by t, 2 will be equal to t the power j n x. Means in this way, from this equation only, the Bessel function can be generated, right? And this was the answer. Okay, thank you.